Hi, this is Vrishali and you are watching Vrisharaj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the multiplication of algebraic expression. In my previous video, I have already explained addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression by two methods, horizontal method and vertical method. You can check the link of that video in our description box. Now in this video, we are going to check the multiplication of algebraic expression. Before I proceed further with the explanation of this interesting concept, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates of whatever videos we upload on our YouTube channel, that is Vrisharaj Classes. And don't forget to share such interesting videos among your friends. So let's start with the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Now before we start the actual multiplication, you should have the basic knowledge of exponents. Yeah, just the basic knowledge of exponents. When we multiply the same type of variable, now for example x into x into x. Now x we are multiplying 3 times. So this is written as x to the power of q. The variable which we multiply is our base, and how many times that variable comes in the multiplication is the power of that particular variable. Now if it is something like this, a square means a to the power of 2 into a to the power of 3. Now the meaning of this is, here a is multiplied 2 times, here a is multiplied 3 times. So altogether we have a 5 times. So the answer is a to the power of 5. I will explain this exponents in detail in one of my upcoming video. So right now whatever is important only for our multiplication of algebraic expression, I will explain that. Now if it is something like this, p square into q into r into pq. Okay, now these things we are multiplying. Here p we have 2 times, here we have 1 time. So p to the power of 3, q. Here we have 1 time, here we have q 1 time. So altogether how many times we have q here? 2 times. So q to the power of 2. And r we have only 1 time. That is r. So this knowledge is very important when we do the multiplication of our algebraic expression. So now let's start with the actual multiplication. Now first we will start with monomial into monomial. Means single term into single term. One term into one term. 4a into 2a. Now here what we have to do, whatever numbers we have, that we have to multiply first. 4 2s are 8. A into a is 2 times a square. Okay, one more example. Minus 3ab into 4a square b. Minus 3 into 4. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. A into a square. A is 1 time here and here it is 2 times. So altogether 3 times. B into b, b square. Third example. Minus 9xy into minus 4xy square z. Minus 9 into minus 4. Minus 9 into minus 4 is plus 36. 9 4s are 36. Minus into minus is plus. X into x, x square. Y into y square. This becomes y to the power of 3 and z we have only 1 time. One more example. 2a into 3ab into minus 4b square c into 2a cube c square. Now here I have taken 4 terms. Monomial into monomial into monomial into monomial. Okay, what is our first rule? multiply all the numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 into 2 is 48. Let's write this. But here we have one minus sign. So this is minus 48. Okay, minus 48. Now let's check the variable part. A cube. One time and 3 times. So altogether we have 5 times A. So A to the power of 5. B square. Means how many times we have B here? Yes, it is 3 times. So B to the power of 3. C into C square. C cube. Means C to the power of 3. So this is how we multiply monomial into monomial. Because now when we come across the higher sums, that is monomial into binomial or binomial into binomial, in all these type of sums, you should be perfect in multiplication of monomial into monomial. So now let's check how to multiply monomial and binomial. Monomial into binomial, that we will check now. Now we will see monomial into binomial. Binomial means algebraic expressions with two terms. See, for monomial into binomial, there is one simple rule. Okay, one simple rule. If you remember this simple rule, you can multiply any type of monomial with any type of binomial. The rule is, now suppose A into B plus C. So what we have to do here, A into B and A into C. And of course we have to check the signs properly and then multiply accordingly. So this is one simple rule to multiply monomial and binomial. Let's check one or two examples. 3x into 4a plus b. 3x into 4a. 3x into 4a. 3 4s are 12. X into a you can write as xa or ax. It's one and the same. Plus 3x into b. 3bx. This is the answer. One more example. Minus 2a square b into 3a minus 4b. Minus 2a square b we have to multiply first with 3a and then minus 2a square b we have to multiply with minus 4b. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. A square b into a. A square into a is a cube b. Now next, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. A square as it is, b into b, it becomes b square. So this is how we multiply monomial and binomial. Same rule is applicable for monomial into trinomial. Means outside we have one term. Let's say 3y into 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Just simple example I am explaining here. 3y into 2a, 6ay, 3y into 3b plus 9by, 3y into minus 4c minus 12cy. This is monomial into trinomial. So in short, whenever we have to multiply monomial with any number of terms, whether it is monomial, binomial or trinomial, whatever monomial we have here, that we have to multiply with each term in our bracket. If we have one term, multiply with that single term. If we have two terms, multiply with both of these terms. If we have three terms, multiply with all these three terms. If we have four terms, you will have to multiply with all the four terms. So this is how we multiply monomial and binomial. Now let's move to binomial into binomial. It's important concept. Now let's see how to multiply binomial into binomial. Now again here we have one simple rule. a plus b into c plus d. Okay. Now a plus b into c plus d. So in this case what we have to do? First term, that is a, we have to multiply with this c plus d, and this next term we have to multiply again with this second bracket. Now what we have here, a into c is ac, a into d is ad, b into c bc, and b into d is bd. So this is how we have to multiply binomial into binomial. And if we get some like terms, okay, after this multiplication there is a possibility of getting like terms here. So if we come across the like terms, we have to operate them, means add, subtract according to their sign. Now let's see two examples of binomial into binomial. First one, a plus 2b, 3a minus b. Okay, a plus 2b into 3a minus b. So first term is a, we have to multiply with 3a minus b. Second term is 2b, let's multiply with 3a minus b. A into 3a is 3a square. A into minus b is minus ab. 2b into 3a is 6ab. 2b into minus b is minus 2b square. Now just have a look at these terms. 3a square minus ab plus 6ab minus 2b square. Now in between we have like terms, 6ab minus ab. So we have to operate that. 3a square, 6ab minus ab is 5ab minus 2b square. Now this is our final answer of this binomial into binomial. Now let's check one more example. Second example, 5x square plus 2y into the bracket 2x minus y square. Now let's multiply this. First term is 5x square. We have to multiply with this 2x minus y square. Second term is plus 2y. We have to multiply with this bracket 2x minus y square. 5x square into 2x. 5x square into 2x is 10x cube. 5x square into minus y square is minus 5x square y square. Here 2y into 2x is plus 4xy, and 2y into minus y square is minus 2y cube. Now let's have a look at these terms. 10x cube minus 5x square y square plus 4xy minus 2y cube. Here we don't have any like terms. All the terms are unlike. All these four terms are different. So this is our final answer. So this is how we multiply binomial into binomial. Now for this multiplication of binomial into binomial, we have some shortcut methods, and that is nothing but identities. Identities are nothing but some ready-made formulas which helps us to multiply binomial into binomial. So which are the important identities and how to use those identities to solve these sums, that we will continue in our next video. So for that I would like to request once again that please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to share our videos among your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.